Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we are going to unbox the Oppo Reno 2Z. Now without waiting any further, let's go ahead. As you can see from the box itself, it has a quad camera setup. This is the Reno 2Z. Now there's not a lot to honestly talk about on the box. Well, it does mention that it's a luminous black color and we have the 8GB RAM 256GB version, and that's the only one that's available. Reno 2Z. It's quite a long box, to be honest. Just a couple of documentation. I'm going to keep it aside. This, as you can see, is the Reno 2Z. Pull this out of the box. There's a case that you get in the box as well. These are headphones that you get in the box. Quite a lot like the ones you get with the iPhone. As you can see, this is a 20-watt charger that you get in the box. And you get a USB Type-C cable. And that's pretty much everything. You do get a SIM ejector tool in the box as well. I'm going to put everything back. Now let's take a look at the device. Now while this does power on, let me tell you a couple of specifications about the device. At the front, it has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, and this is primarily because it has an in-display fingerprint scanner. At the top, it has this pop-up selfie camera. The power button is to the right, volume rockers to the left, the quad camera setup. As you can see, we have the luminous black color variant here. Now I'll talk about the camera sensors first. Now this setup consists of a 48 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel secondary sensor, and there's two 2 megapixel sensors as well. As you can see, this has an in-display fingerprint scanner. You quickly set it up. Very easy to set up. Now the app market does suggest that you install a couple of apps. You'll just skip that. Do keep that in mind. Yes, as it says, it does run ColorOS 6.1 on top of Android 9 Pie. Quickly show you the selfie camera as well. The camera does also have lights in it. Kind of reminds us of the Redmi K20. And for those of you who are curious, the selfie camera is a 16 megapixel sensor, and it is also going to help you when it comes to face unlock. The device packs in a 4000 mAh battery, and like I said before, it comes with a 20-watt charger that's bundled in the box. USB Type-C port at the bottom. You also have the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the top, you have a secondary microphone and that pop-up selfie camera. The SIM tray slot to the right. You quickly eject it. So as you can see, this is a dual SIM slot with 2 nano SIMs, and there's a dedicated microSD card slot for expansion as well. The Oppo Reno 2Z comes in one variant only with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and the processor that is powering the smartphone is the MediaTek Helio P90. And that was a quick unboxing and our first look at the Oppo Reno 2Z. Now what do you think about the smartphone? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.